Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Citroen DS3. So from any screen, you've got the menu button down here. Not immediately obvious, but click the menu button, get ready to turn the radio down, because normally it comes on when you change screen. Too slow, snooze you lose. Click on navigation, and then you've got the screen there. Not immediately obvious what you've got to do next, but you've got options down here in the left hand corner. Click options, then you've got enter destination, search for points of interest, traffic management. We want enter destination. All previous destinations or previous entries in the sat nav, but you've got address here, so click address, and then we want postcode. Now we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR 5 4JS, and you've got an arrow in the corner. So we click the arrow, then it's changed to like a destination flag or a finish flag. Click the finish flag, and then it gives you the option fastest, shortest. So we'll leave fastest and click arrow again. Navigation system is an electronic aid. It's not a substitute for the driver's assessment of a situation. All navigation, blah blah blah. Click OK. It's showing me the directions, give me a display there. Turn left in 300 yards.
200 yards, turn left, then turn right.
And there you go. You should be able to turn the volume up while the voice is playing using the controls on the right there. So that's it. That's how you do it.